what do you want to say about it?
Delhi is in a dire state. The entire city is parched, and the Kejriwal government is indulging only in theatrics. The Honorable Minister Atishiji, instead of working on the ground and instead of taking any adequate steps, is now indulging in mere theatrics and is now threatening Delhiites with an unshan. Very respectfully, it seems as if that unshan is nothing but an attempt to camouflage the incompetence of the Kejriwal government and their inaction. Even the Honorable Supreme Court of India came down heavily on the Kejriwal government, scolding them for the fact that they had not taken any steps to curb the operation of illegal tanker mafia in Delhi, nor have they done anything to ensure that there is no water wastage. It is shocking to see that the Kejriwal government has enjoyed power in Delhi for the last decade, but in the last 10 years, they've not spent a dime to do anything in order to improve or repair the infrastructure of the Delhi Jal Board. The pipelines of the Delhi Jal Board are in utter desiccating state. The Kejriwal government is responsible for it. I want to ask them, where are the MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party? There are 60 plus MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party, and we do not find them working on the ground. It's appalling to see that for the first time in the democratic history of Bharat, you have an elected government of the Kejriwal government, which rather than being in command of the situation and working like a government on the ground, is indulging in the rhetoric of an opposition party. And therefore, the responsibility is now being shouldered by the workers of the BJP. We are a responsible opposition party. We are on the ground working day and out, ensuring that water tankers are reaching the public. But what is the Aam Aadmi Party doing? Where are the elected representatives? Where are the MLAs? Why is the minister not taking adequate steps? If the IMD had predicted in March itself that Delhi is going to be suffering a heat wave, why did she not undertake any repair work qua the Delhi Jal Board infrastructure? Why was no master action plan dealt with or made? Why was there not a all-party meeting held? Why was there no strategy actually sort of brought about to tackle or avert this crisis? It almost seems that this crisis, which is not a natural crisis, has been orchestrated by the Kejriwal government to encourage their own corruption as well as to encourage the illegal tanker mafia.
Of Vidhan Sabha was mentioned. So, do you think it should be held and this issue should be spoken about it in the session?
It should have been done long back. It should have been done long back, but it almost seems as if the Kejriwal government does not have any intention of averting or curing this crisis. They are only indulging in the rhetoric of being an opposition party themselves whilst being in governance. They're not in command of the situation. They're not doing anything on the ground. They're only creating a ruckus and indulging in theatrics of either writing letters or going on an unshan. This is not the way constitutional post holders work. Like I said, this unshan seems to be an attempt to camouflage the incompetence and the wrongdoings of the Kejriwal government.
Do you think this issue will be resolved anytime soon, seeing the situation right now that is there in Delhi?
कहते हैं नियत हो तो नीति भी बदल जाती है. अगर केजरीवाल सरकार की नियत होती दिल्ली के लोगों को प्यासा ना मारने की, तो मैं आपको सच बता रही हूँ, ये जल संकट कभी पैदा ही नहीं होता और प्यासा मरना दिल्ली की नीति नहीं बनती. ये प्राकृतिक संकट नहीं है, ये एक बनावटी संकट है जो आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार ने अपने भ्रष्टाचार को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए और इलीगल टैंकर माफिया को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए बनाया है. मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ आम आदमी पार्टी से, आपके मंत्री क्या कर रहे हैं? आपके जनप्रतिनिधि, आपके पास 60 से ज़्यादा MLAs हैं, वो कहाँ हैं? वो जनता की गुहार क्यों नहीं सुन रहे? और आप ये जो अनशन पे बैठने की धमकी दे रहे हैं, ऐसा लगता है ये केवल केजरीवाल सरकार के निकम्मेपन पर आवरण डालने